to turn on or turn off Braille Display Disconnected Sound effect when voiceover is on. In iPhone 14 Pro, open settings, tap settings to open, and then scroll down the screen, find accessibility. Next, tap accessibility, and then tap voiceover. Select audio, and then select sounds and haptics. Scroll down the screen, find Braille Display Disconnected. Next, tap Braille Display Disconnected, and then on sound, tap switch until green to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off Braille Display Disconnected Sound effect when voiceover is on. Tap switch until green to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.